So you might have heard the buzz about Asus planning to drop an update to their beloved ROG Ally gaming handheld at Computex 2024. Yep, you heard it right. The refreshed version, allegedly named the Asus ROG Ally 2024, is causing quite the stir in the gaming community. Now don't get too hyped up just yet. From what we've gathered, it seems like this update might be more of a minor refresh rather than a complete overhaul. But hey, any improvement is good news, right? Here's the juicy bit. Asus recently dropped a little teaser on social media platform X, hinting at the existence of the ROG Ally 2024. In a post celebrating the launch of the original ROG Ally, eagle-eyed fans spotted a sleek black Ally peeking out from a shelf in the background. Sneaky Asus, very sneaky. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's keep it real. This could just be a first-gen ROG Ally sporting a fancy black skin. But hey, it's not entirely far-fetched to think that Asus might be dropping us a hint, especially considering their track record. Now, let's talk about the black color option. Practical, right? I mean, who wants to worry about their pristine white Ally getting grubby after some intense gaming sessions? Now, here's the deal. While you're eagerly awaiting the release of the ROG Ally 2024, you can still get your hands on the original ROG Ally. Yep, it's still up for grabs at Best Buy for $699.99. But hey, keep an eye out for any potential sales, especially if Asus decides to bless us with the new model. And hey, if you're in the market for something a bit bigger, Lenovo's Legion Go might be worth checking out. Priced at the same sweet spot, it offers some cool features that the Ally might be missing out on. So, what do you think about the potential Asus ROG Ally 2024? Are you excited, skeptical, or just patiently waiting for more info? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.